Hi, I'm Joe Weiss, and I'm one of the directors of Learn Real English. And today, I'm going to be teaching you rule number 2 for excellent English speaking. Okay, so what is rule number 2? Well, rule number 2 is quite simple. Rule number 2 is do not study grammar rules. Do not study grammar rules. Now, I know this may be a surprise to you because your English teachers have always told you that you must study grammar rules. In high schools or secondary schools, in universities, in language schools, the English teachers teach grammar, and then they teach more grammar, and then they teach even more grammar. And that is the method that you have used to study English. So, now I have a question for you. Have you been successful using that method? If you're watching this video, then you've studied English before. That means you have probably studied a lot of grammar rules. So you need to ask yourself this question. Can you speak English quickly, easily, and automatically? If the answer is no, then you need to ask why not? Why not? Because you have been studying English for many years. Why can't you speak English quickly, easily, and automatically? Well, the answer for most people is because they studied too much grammar. But you are not to blame for this. No. Your English teachers are to blame for this because your English teachers made you study grammar. I bet you hated studying grammar rules, but you did it because your English teachers made you study them. Okay, so why is it bad to study grammar rules? Well, when you study grammar rules, then you think about these grammar rules. You think about the past perfect tense, the present perfect tense, the future perfect tense, prepositions. You think about all these grammar rules before you speak. And when you speak, you do not have a lot of time. When you're writing, you have a lot more time. You can write slowly. You can correct your mistakes. You can even look in a book if you need help. When you're writing, you have a lot of time. But when you are speaking, you do not have a lot of time. When you are speaking, there is no time to think about verb tenses and verb conjugations and definite articles, indefinite articles, adverbs. There is no time to think about those grammar rules when you are speaking. When someone asks you a question, they want you to answer that question immediately. They don't want to wait 1 minute while you're thinking about grammar rules. No, no, no. So, that is why it is important that you not study grammar rules. When you study grammar rules, then you think about those grammar rules before you speak, and that means that you hesitate before you speak, and you speak much slower, and you understand much slower.